Animating a logo may seem challenging, but it's actually quite simple. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple technique to animate any logo in After Effects. You can download the project file from the link in the description. Additionally, I create motion graphics tutorials, so feel free to explore my channel. First, let's look at the composition settings I used for this project. We'll begin with the easiest task, animating the chocolate brand Lavelle icon. Press S to open the scale properties and add a keyframe. Move forward to set the ending position and add another keyframe. Press V and drag the chocolate icon upward. For the starting position, adjust the size of the chocolate until it disappears. To animate a stroke, draw a path with the pen tool. Adjust the stroke amount, search for length, and decrease the start value to 0. Choose a round cap for the stroke, then add a trim path and set the end and start keyframes. I cover this technique in more detail in another video, so check that out if needed. For the next heart icon, we'll use path properties to create a smooth transition from stroke to heart. Search for the path and add a keyframe, then move forward to set the ending position. Adjust the shape by pressing G on your keyboard to achieve the desired morphing effect. Now, let's animate the letter L. Draw a stroke, ensuring it overlaps, and add the trim path effect. Adjust the end keyframes as we did before, but this time there's no need to adjust the start keyframes. If you review it, you might see no change in the letter. To fix this, choose Track Matte and select the stroke layer. This will create a mask, giving us the desired effect. I animated the other letters collectively by adjusting the scale properties. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.